Let us discuss about chemistry. Chemistry is defined as the study of composition, properties, and interaction of matter. Chemistry is often called the central science because of its role in connecting the physical science, which include chemistry with the life science and applied science such as medicine and engineering. Various branches of chemistry, physical chemistry. The branch of chemistry, physical chemistry, is the branch of chemistry which concern the way in which physical properties of substance depends on its on and influence their chemical structure, properties, and reaction. Then, inorganic chemistry. The branch of chemistry, inorganic chemistry branch of chemistry, which deals with the structure, composition, and behavior of inorganic compound. Inorganic compound, all the substance other than the carbon hydrogen compounds are classified under the group of inorganic substances. Then organic chemistry. It is the discipline which deals with the study of nature and study of structure, composition, and the chemical properties of organic compounds is known as organic chemistry. Then biochemistry. It deals with the structure and the behavior of component of cell and the chemical process in living beings is known as biochemistry. Then analytical chemistry. It is the branch of chemistry dealing with separation, identification, and quantitative determination of the composition of different substances. Then matter. In chemistry, we'll get a popular word matter Matter means it is defined as anything that occupies space, possesses mass, and the presence of which can be felt by anyone or more of our five senses. The word five sense means by touching, by smelling, etc. Matter can exist in a three state, maybe solid, liquid, liquid, and gas. Solid, a substance, is said to be solid if it possesses a definite shape, definite volume, definite. A solid, a substance is said to be solid if it possesses a definite volume, definite shape. Example: sugar, iron, gold, wood, these are solid. And a liquid, a substance is said to be a liquid if it possesses a definite volume but no definite shape. They take up the shape of a vessel in which you are put. Example: milk, water, oil, alcohol, whatever may. Then gas, a substance is said to be a gaseous. It neither possesses definite volume nor definite shape because they fill the fill of whole vessel in which they are put. Example: hydrogen, oxygen. And the three states are interconvertible by changing the condition of temperature and pressure. Means nothing in the world present in solid, liquid or gas. It can change by help of temperature and pressure. A solid can change to gas, a gas can change to liquid, a liquid can change to gas. And a solid can change to liquid. Means gas can change to liquid or liquid can change to gas.